I'm in Delhi today for the Agent Force World Tour by Salesforce India. The day obviously started with a lot of networking. And since I came here a bit early, I had an opportunity to build my, 15th agent maybe now. And I got a very cool Agent Force t-shirt that I'm going to flaunt really soon in my upcoming videos probably. But keynote session was fantastic, a great start by Nipun, followed up with greater insights on the go-to-market around Agent Force AI and data by Arun. After all the insights from Arun, there was an interesting session by Shailaja and Siddharth. Man, that guy has some energy and conviction, especially when he walked his own talk by doing a live demonstration of building an agent for one of leading customer of Salesforce in the US. I have seen a bit of that demo during Dreamforce by Mark himself, but they have taken it to a whole new level now. But what a fantastic session by both of them. I loved it. Then one of the Salesforce India solution engineer lead, Sonalika, came on the stage and talked about all things data. While Agent Force is the shiny star in Salesforce arsenal at the point, I think it is very important for all of us to know that without data, AI and Agent Force would not be able to get you the returns on your investment. So Sonalika stressed upon these very key touch points on how pivotal Data Cloud is in Salesforce customers' AI journey and what are the key practices that must be kept in mind, along with all the latest and greatest Data Cloud evolution, which Salesforce is pumping out 3 times a year. The same conversation was followed with an insightful talk of Salesforce India's customer, Genpact. Genpact provided insight into their own adoption journey of Salesforce AI and now Agent Force. The AI and the Agent Force will be as good as your data force is how I would put it. And your data force would be as good as your own data. So if you are planning to start embarking on your AI and Agent Force journey, it is inevitable for you to start looking at your data inside your data cloud. And if that is in order, I think the Salesforce Agent Force platform and technology is very promising, and you will be able to harness greater productivity, efficiency, and seamless customer experiences out of it. I'll keep you posted. Until then, bye-bye.